So I found these two little corners of wood in the trash on the side of the road. And then I actually found this bed rail in the trash as well. And I'm gonna be using a few power tools and making a skate box.
Just her sister at her side, and only weeks before the guns all came and rained on everyone. Now she's a little boy in Spain, playing pianos filled with flames on empty rings around the sun. I'll sing to say my dream has come, but now we must pick up every piece of the life we used to love, just to keep ourselves at least enough to carry on. And now we ride the circus wheel with your dark brother.
So these people that live down the street keep these with a caution tape ribbon to play hockey. They use it as a goal. It's kind of the same kind of stuff I'm doing. You can see the Gorilla Glue coming out over the bed frame right here.
Says it was good to be alive, and now he rides the comet's flame and won't be coming back again. The earth looks better from a star that's right above from where you are. He didn't mean to make you cry when sparks that ring and bullets fly on empty rings around your heart. The world just screams and falls apart. But now we must pick up every piece of the life we used to love, just to keep ourselves at least enough to carry on. And here's where your mother sleeps, and here is the room where your brothers were born. Indentions in the sheets where their bodies once moved but don't move anymore. It's so sad to see the world agree that they'd rather see their faces filled with flies than all when I want to keep white roses in their eyes.
This little bit of skating that I've done has really taken a toll on the trash ledge. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. This is just the best ledge for learning new tricks. It's really tiny, but it's still long enough that you have time to grind. So I feel like this ledge is really great for perfecting new tricks, and then you can take it to a small flat bar or a bigger ledge. But if I were to want to find a ledge for people to learn 50/50s on for the first time, It would be a really small ledge like this with metal on the side like this one, because it just slides so well and it's so low you're not going to get hurt. If you fall off, you're just going to roll right off and keep rolling. So this is a perfect beginner ledge.
He's only my enemy. I'll crush him with everything I own. Say what you wanna say. Hang partner all the way. He's moving you about to pull out all your miracles. For me. Father made fetuses with flesh-licking ladies while you and your mother were asleep in the trailer park. Thunderous sparks from the dark of the stadiums. Music, that medicine you needed for comforting. Make all your fat fleshy fingers the moving. Pluck all your silly strings. Bend all your notes for me. Sound silly music is meaningful, magical. The movements were beautiful, all in your ovaries.